Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Beaverbrooks Silver Curb men's bracelet. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Beaverbrooks Silver Curb men's bracelet. I'm just taking a look at the details of the box packaging and to give you some sense of the size of the box, just holding it in my hand and resting it on its side to give you some sense of the size of this Beaverbrooks box packaging. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting or flipping up the box lid to reveal the Silver Curb men's bracelet. So giving you a look at the bracelet as well as the box itself. So it does have this flip top lid or cover, and of course the overall details on the inside or underside of the box lid as well, and of course the silver bracelet itself, or sterling silver bracelet. Now let's go ahead and lift the bracelet out from the box and just setting it on the tabletop and just giving you another look at the box with the curb bracelet removed. Now we can close the box back up, and I'm just going to set the box on the left hand side of the tabletop. So now giving you a close-up look at this sterling silver men's curb bracelet on its holder before I start handling it. So you can see that it does have a highly polished finish, and it does measure 20 centimeters in length, and giving you a look at the clasp or fastener over there. So it is a lobster clasp for the fastening of the bracelet. So I'm giving you those details as much as I can. While it's still on the holder, and we can see that it is marked or stamped Italy with 925 over it. So 925 silver and Italy right under that number. Okay, now let's pop the bracelet off by, okay, so we can't slide it off, so we need to undo or open the lobster clasp. So doing so and just squeezing the bracelet in, and we can set that holder on the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop along with or next to the box. So now giving you a look at this Beaverbrooks sterling silver men's curb bracelet. In my hand, and of course to give you some sense of its length, just laying it on the tabletop. So product specifications is 20 centimeters in length for this sterling silver men's curb bracelet. And of course now giving you that much closer in look at its details. So you can see the luster or shine of the polished surface of the lobster clasp. So let's pull on that lever just to give you a sense of the action or actuation of that clasp right there. And of course the links to the curb bracelet. So once again, so we can see in much greater detail now, since I'm bringing it in as closely as I can with the marks on the silver. And of course you can see once again just how the light plays against its surface, and giving you a look at both ends side by side. The sterling details and the Beaverbrooks logo or symbol right there, I think. But nonetheless, the letterings on the reverse and the sides of the end of this bracelet. Okay, so giving you a sense of the sterling silver as well and how it sounds and handles. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it on. So I do have a 16.75 centimeter circumference wrist, or roughly 6.5 inches. Now let's go ahead and place the bracelet on my hand and see if I can clip it on to my wrist. And perhaps if I were to do so the other way around, I might have a better grip on the lobster clasp. So just making sure that the bracelet isn't all twisted up as I try and hook the clasp into that end right there, and right there on my 6.5 inch size wrist, or 16.75 centimeters. So to give you a sense of the remaining length right there. So remainder of the length of this 20 centimeter sterling silver curved bracelet on my 16.75 centimeter circumference size wrist. So once again, 20 centimeter length of this Beaverbrooks sterling silver curved men's bracelet on my 16.75 circumference size wrist. So giving you a much closer in look now. And just doing a wrist roll right there so you can see the details of this highly polished sterling silver curved bracelet. And of course, giving you a sense of the way it responds as well. So once again giving you a look at that length remainder of the curved bracelet. Okay, now let's go ahead and take it off by simply unhooking that lobster clasp and just giving you another look. And before I do that, I'm going to give it a quick wipe with this microfiber cloth just to remove any finger marks or prints. And right there, once again, the bracelet in close-up detail. And the clasp and closure on both ends. So that's the Beaverbrooks Silver Curve Men's Bracelet. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!